Finally.
Hello?
How you play?
Hello?
Anyway.
Who can teach me how to play?
Oh, this? No, that wasn't the guy.
Will you teach me how
Hello?
to play? Will you teach me how to play? I got a
Should I do?
Oh, you're a rampage
kills, and I got a lot of streaks now.
Wait! We got the same loadout!
Hey!
Yeah, we ought to be on the same team for that.
Hey, we got this, gang.
Same
we got
loadout,
this,
let's go.
Gang! You know, gang?
Pick big. Oh. No, not my
Bro,
team.
we got a decent lobby here, too. Come on, I'm on. Suck a dick. Hello?
Yo, you should get on.
Hello?
Fuck, get on.
Hello?
We're not good. We're not good. This is
We're
the
not
same
good.
kid. This is
Alright. It's the same kid.
I'm kidding.
And nice job.
Wait, you were the same kid that we just versed, right?
Yeah.
You're the one that flipped off
Wait,
the
I
team.
feel like I know you.
Oh. I
Match
remember I
starting.
cooked on this map before.
Round starting.
No, that kind of just sold.
No, he was.
Round starting.
Dang. Maybe it is good, Deagle Day. What am I? No team. Why would I not pull out my Uzi?
Round starting.
Come on. Damn it. Yes! I know my mic's on. I don't care though. I feel like I'm gonna hit my pants.
Round
'cause I have
starting.
like zippers on it. Oh, I thought I had them there. Oh, it's definitely 50. Oh, 107! He won. What? Oh, I thought that was teammate. It's fine. We win.
Round starting.
Oh, this is so big. Oh my god. Climb through the air on my way to Jamaica. My teammate! Seemed good. And this guy, he did no damage to that guy. I did so much to the bunny, dude, and he didn't even kill him. Yo, teammate, I thought he was good. Dude is not
Round
that
starting.
good, bro. I thought he was so good because these kids were glazing him. So I thought, I just got headshotted. Oh, he did what? Actually, did 1 damage more than me. I guess he's not bad, but like, did he do anything to that one dude? Oh, okay, nah. All right, sometimes he's good, sometimes he's bad. I don't know.
Round starting.
Can I go? Does it not work when you're in it? Okay. Oh! Cracked on this dude. Dead. Reload deep. Get up here. No, he's so low too. It's fun. It's whatever.
Round starting.
No. Oh, dang it. I sold. Alright. Teammate is kind of like me. Yo, GG's, guys. Rematch? You want a rematch?
Rematch it, rematch it, rematch it. Let's go. Rematch it. Please.
Fine, I'll rematch.
Thank you.
Green burger anywhere.
I need.
Yo, how
Match
did we get
started.
this? This was 1 vote from me. I mean, I guess that's
Round
good.
starting.
I wanted this. So, like, I mean, it's whatever, but let's go. Mm. 68, dude. 100? Why do you say 100 on one?
Six. Six.
Well, I'm hearing that wrong. I don't know. But
I'm not even in the what's.
I just got one shot. Come on, Birch.
Round
Yeah,
starting.
that was all me, I'm gonna be honest. I don't know where I have my shotgun.
This is
With the gas or when I see the roadblock. Full speed, don't stop. I'm on. Woo! Oh! I won! I'm literally 1 HP, 466 damage too. This dude did no damage, he still has
Round
91.
starting.
Oh, I thought teammate was dead again. Yo, I'm getting that much damage.
Round starting.
666. Alrighty. That's not a good number. How'd I just... Yo, I missed the easiest shots and did the hardest shots when he's like flying over here. I can never hit. Like, what is this? He's flying over. All of those miss. And then once
Round starting.
he's right in front of me, I just can't do anything. Blue. I'm going for blue. Hold on. Wait, did they ever say that we double team? No, that was the other team, I think. Yeah, that was the other team. The British guy. It wasn't him. I would have been like, oh my god, you're double teaming. Ah.
Round starting.
38. 80. Yo, I need sniper. Yo, if I get sniper, I am going to cook everyone. Yo, 4 a.m. is not tough if you put it in your username. How'd I know too? It's like in basketball. I hit some good threes and stuff. Like, something like that. And then when I'm got a wide open layup, all of them are at the other half of the court. I just, I hit it off the backboard, of course, because, like, and then it doesn't go in. But, like, then I shoot a 3 contested, like, can't do anything. It's a 1v1 or something. I'm like taking it like that.
Anyone's on a 1v1?
And then wait, no, what am I saying?
How much you got, bro?
Say this is the ball. So I have got my back, they're trying to do defense, and then I hit like this. It's not one hand, and I just throw it like that. Okay, why'd I show my house? It's fine. I just throw it like that and it goes in. Oh my god!